Roque. Salam trying to bob it out. Salas. Ibanez wide open from downtown. No. And Salingay controlling the defensive rebound. Pass to Awas. And wisely built their shot clock now. Pinoy pass to Salas. Short. Battle for the rebound control. Ends up with Kulasti. Ends up to Kulasti.
2:39.
There's a swipe. Down low. Swipe inside. Basket will stay for San Roque. 83-75. So no rooms for mistakes here for San Roque. Ibanez. Bumangga po sa depensa. And it's been a blocking foul. Jersey number 1, Guarin.
Penalty and 3 personal foul
So
Guarin.
Guarin not in a surrendered position that time.
2:34 our time.
2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time. 2 and 34. So panipis, paubos na po ng paubos ang oras. Ibanez misses first.
Iyoy. Asino now on the spot.
So small ball now for San Roque. Iyoy now will move out. And Asido checking back. They were down by 8. Ibanez, another off on the second release. Touchless. Salingay.
Guarin for Marcelo
Guarin.
with 2:32.
We are now approaching into our final 2 minutes mark. Into our twilight mark. Bazar inbounding. Bazar looking for a cutter. Asido shot clock down now to 10. Bazar pull down the trigger. Bullseye! What a shot by Bazar. Only shot and he cuts the lead down into 5 from 8. Salas nowhere to go. Pass to Salingay. What a move by Salingay as he gets his basket onto the other side.
2 and 3.
Into the other side.
Penalty with 2 and 3.
Okay, referee's ball. A substitution now for San Roque. Number 24, Ibanez. Balik po agad itong si Iyoy.
With 2 and 3. 2 half na minuto o 3 segundos.
85-78. Now for Marcelo. Make it 86.
Wala sila have 3 personal.
Salas. Kumuha mo na ng hangin. Kompleto po para sa kanya.
Last 2 minutes.
So we are now announcing our final 2 minutes. So basket count.
1 and 56.
Oh, Mr. Magpanong, basket count. Basket count. Foul jersey number 09.
Single personal. Penalty with 1 and 56.
1 minute and 56 seconds. 87-79. 87-79. 8 points game for Marcelo. Salam for the bonus. No. Iyoy for the defensive. Another offensive rebound. Oh my goodness. What a bad timing release that time by Iyoy. Awas. Now what is good? Lost the handle. One goes to no tap out call. No deflection happened.
140.
So another opportunity. Oh, nagkatamaan po ang una. Lumabas. So mananatili ang opensiba para sa mga taga San Roque.
135.
18 seconds shot clock now for San Roque. Because there was no clear position happened that time for Marcelo. Oh, what a good shot. What a good stop for Marcelo from their front court, from the backcourt of Barangay San Roque. 87-79. 87-79 is our official score. 8 points game for Marcelo. Salingay.
113.
Shot clock now. Oh, that's a way upper. Oh, good. Offensive rebound by Salas.
120.
Shot clock back down again to 10 from 14. Salingay makes his move. Salingay tries to Pinoy inside to Salas. And Salas for the follow-up. For the alley shot. Oh, another look. Rebound. Salas. Pass to Salingay. Sevilla. And that was the kill shot by Sevilla. Asido trying to shoulder his team here at the end game. 55 next to inside.
15.
So wasting. San Roque now wasting some time. Nobody got to give some about Awas from the baseline. Shortstop. What a soft shot coming from Awas.
40. 35.
93-81.
34 seconds.
So it's
34
now
seconds.
a dozen points advantage for Marcelo. What a comeback at the end game for Marcelo. Oh, what a dribble.
30.
What a dribble by Salingay in between legs of Asido. Finding Dino.
26 seconds.
So it's Dinawa showing. It's Dinawa showing. A short W for Marcelo. We will wait for the final ball.
20. 15.
So Salau now. So it's a no contest call by Mr. Ian. So our final score 95-81. What a come from behind victory for Marcelo with the final score of 95 against San Roque 81. So congratulations.